Hey, Ohana, welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shundara Creates. But hold up, wait a minute, let me put some boob on it, let me put some boob on it, boob on it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Shundara Creates family. Make sure you thumbs up this video. And in this episode of Shundara Creates, we are making an edible Kool-Aid slime. So I won't tell you the secret ingredient yet. You will have to watch the video to find out how do I make this edible Kool-Aid slime. This slime is not made with Metamucil, so thank God for that. And it is really fun and easy to make. So you guys, let's go. And if you would like a shout out for Shout Out Wednesdays, where I shout you out on Snapchat, Instagram, as well as the YouTube community, make sure you're following me on all my social media sites, you guys. And stay tuned for the end of the video if you would like to know. So let's go. So you want to start off with 16 ounces of marshmallows, and I'm going to use the half a bag, so that's about 8 ounces. I'm going to use 2 caps of canola oil. You can use any oil you like. I'm just using canola oil. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for about 30 to 60 seconds. We're going to add a cup of powdered sugar, and we're going to mix that in until it's combined. So you want to mix that powdered sugar into your melted marshmallow fluff until it's combined. And you want to stir it in really, really well. This part may take you a while, but just start stirring until you get a nice little fluff of marshmallow. Now I'm going to add more powdered sugar to that cup I did add. Now you guys, it may look like I did add a little powdered sugar, but I really did add a lot in the beginning, and I actually needed to add more, and the canola oil made it less sticky as well. And this, you need to make sure you're really heavy-handed with it, you guys. So make sure you get heavy-handed with it. Now I'm going to add more powdered sugar in and mix that in that baby until it's combined. So I would say all in all, you guys, I used about 2 cups of powdered sugar. If you don't have powdered sugar, you can use flour. I would say use 2 cups of flour, or you can use cornstarch, but I think powdered sugar works the best, you guys. And then once it's mixed in together and it's not hot and it's not as sticky as it used to be, which I'm testing it right now, because you guys, this stuff gets really, really sticky. You want to use your hands to knead it like a dough. So it's like if you've ever made pizza by hand, this is what you're doing. You're actually kneading it and you're mixing in that powdered sugar until it's combined, you guys. So make sure you do that. Now we're going to add it to the parchment paper, and this part is really, really sticky, but we're going to add the Kool-Aid, the cherry Kool-Aid. You guys know I love me some Kool-Aid, and this is going to taste so good. It tastes like now later. Now I'm going to add a little bit of oil. I'm going to mix in the rest of that powdered sugar, and I'm just going to mix this all in until it's combined, and you guys will see how luscious this beautiful Kool-Aid slime is going to be. And you really don't need Metamucil or anything, and this is my favorite slime. I really love it. It was like really fluffy, and it made beautiful swirls, as you guys can see. And now I'm going to add some oil to my hands to make sure it's not too sticky, just to take it off the parchment paper that I did use. And watch me make these swirls for you guys. This was my favorite part. Watch this, you guys. Oh yes, look how lovely that looks. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Shundara Creates. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in our next episode of Shundara Creates. Bye, you guys. Okay, so here is the slime, and so it's a little oily, just a little bit, just a little bit. And here we go, we're about to eat it. Oh my God, it's so stretchy. Look, you guys, oh my God. Okay, I do this for y'all. Y'all really need to thumbs up this video. Let's see if we can get this video to like 500 likes, but here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's so slimy. Oh, Let's play the emoji game. So if you would like to be a part of our shout out Wednesdays, where I shout you out on my Instagram, my YouTube community, and as well as Snapchat, you have to play the emoji game. And y'all been saying I've been doing easy, so we're gonna get a little hard today. I'm gonna make this difficult because I'm not making this easy for none of y'all. So let's get started. 1 hospital, 2 teddy bears, 1 hospital, 1 smiley heart eye face emoji, 1 rainbow, 3 cats, 2 dogs, 1 cat, 3 roses. Make sure they're roses, no other flower, a rose, 3 roses, and a kissy face couple, and a couple with a child, plus 2 more hospitals. So I hope you got all that. If you want to be a part of our shout outs, make sure you get all that. Oh, and let me know in the comments down below. You have to answer this question as well as play the emoji game. Let me know, what are you into this summer? Are you just watching YouTube videos? Are you still into slime? Like, what are you guys into? Let me know in the comments down below. If you want to be a part of the shoutouts on the YouTube video as well, you got to play the emoji game. And Savvy is coming back. Me and her are going to have a conversation. I'm trying to wonder how that's going to go. So you guys, thanks so much for watching this episode of Shundara Creates. I love you so much.